This is the 2013 Library Jubilee. It's sponsored by the Fairfax Library Foundation, and it's called Let Loose in the Library. This library, which just celebrated its 5th anniversary, is the Burke Center Community Library, and so we'll actually have a live auction for some of the really high-ticket items. One of those is an African safari. That's the big one. So there are a number of others, and then everyone will be invited to go back, complete the silent auction, perhaps get books signed by a number of the authors that we have here. The funds that are raised at this Jubilee and throughout the year by the Fairfax Library Foundation go to supplement the public funds that come to the Fairfax Public Library system. Some of our programs include early literature programs for young children to help them to read. Another one's called Changing Lives Through Literature, and this is for young people who are perhaps incarcerated or in an area where they haven't had the opportunity to actually appreciate good literature and good reading, and that's one of our big programs. In addition, we provide funds for electronic books and other resources for the Fairfax Library program, and a wide variety of other things such as author presentations, adult and youth programs, and the like. And this is our biggest fundraiser of the year.